What it do, y'all? Bringing y'all some more content back. It feels weird being in the camera. Yeah, I'm still not used to that, talking in front of it. It feels like this is my first video I've ever recorded before, but nonetheless, we dropping the content, y'all. Today we are going to be installing a Yita motor tonneau cover. I believe this is the 4-piece one. Yeah, it's a 4-piece. Reached out to them. They were like all about it, willing to send it out to me. Gonna be doing an installing video, so shout out to Yita motor. Gonna have a link down below for it. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. It doesn't look super complicated, but benefits of having a tonneau cover on a truck, aerodynamics, you can close your stuff. In terms of it, if this one is waterproofed or sealed in, I don't know yet. I'll find out whenever I put it on, and the next time I wash the truck, open the tailgate. If there's water in there, then I know it's not, but it might be. Who knows? I don't know though. But we're gonna put this on and we're gonna find out what it's about. All right, so thank you guys for joining. Make sure you smash the thumbs up, like button, all that good stuff, and then sit tight, take care, enjoy the video. All right, y'all, so we got the instructions over here. I haven't even read them yet. And then over here is the tonneau cover all wrapped up. It got some knob slider thing there. We got a foam seal over there and some, looks like some sticky stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going. Let's see if it's in color. It's not in color, but it looks like it's easy to, I don't know, easy to understand. So we'll see. All right, y'all. I finished installing the tonneau cover. This is probably the easiest cover I have ever installed. It took 15 minutes, I think. It's pretty dope. I think it's cool. I think I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, make sure it's straight, but this is it. It came out clean, man. I thought it was a hard top. It's a soft top though, but it's good. You got the logo right there. On the inside, it's pretty standard. I don't know what those straps are back there for. I'm gonna have to reread the instructions. But it's a simple system though. So all you have is, if you want to fold it, it's a 4-piece fold. So this is a quad fold. So if you want to fold it, all you gotta do is undo the levers here. You just grab it, you just loosen it like that, pull, and then you just pull the little tab out the way, and then you just fold it back. Overall, install is easy. Put that back down. Fit and form is good, right? Closes up, mates up good with the tailgate. It's hanging off a little bit right here. I think I'm gonna have to loosen it and kind of just slide it over a little bit, but it's kind of hanging off on this side. So if anything, it might need to go back. But right now I'm fine with it the way it sits. It looked clean, it's sharp. Now in terms of how long the actual tonneau itself will last, like the covering in the sun, we'll find out. And then these two buckles here, these buckles are for when you fold it back all the way. You just clip them in, that way it just sits up like that. In the instructions, it tells you not to ride with it like partially folded. I wouldn't do that just because there's nothing, unless you have your own straps, there's nothing to really keep it from undoing itself. It won't fly off, but it's like, I don't know, maybe it's not safe. But this was super simple to install. I thought it was gonna be way more. No tools needed, by the way. The only tool I used was a razor blade to cut the box open and open it up. And this is it. So then now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and fold it up for y'all, show y'all what it looks like when it's folded up, so you guys have an idea. And just like that, it's folded up. I went ahead, it took me, I don't know, a minute to fold it. I just had to go in and just undo the latches there and there. But it's super simple, man. I like this a lot. I think it's clean. And then what you do, that way you don't have this sticking up awkwardly, you just kind of push that down. What's up, man? Not much. You lay that down like that. You come over here and do the same so it's not sticking up all awkwardly. There's little slots here for it, so you can like let it lay down just like that. Boom, easy day. And then these are straps. Remember the straps I was telling you about? So you got the straps so it can't undo it, and you can drive like this though. So if you put something in here, you can drive like that. You can't fold it up against the glass if that's what you want to know. You can't do that. So if you're gonna put something in here that's gonna take up the whole bed and stick up like a couch or some shit, you probably gonna have to take it out completely. But for me though, man, I mean, I'm good with this, man. This is it. If you were like, I guess you could say, if you're like if you don't use your bed all the time, right? Like if you're using your bed every day, you don't need this. Get a roll up one. It's gonna be way better, more easier. But if you're the type of dude like me where you put stuff in your bed, you know, once in a while in a blue moon, like 80%, 90% of the time, you're not using your bed, this right here is more than enough. This will be perfect for you. My last truck, when I bought it, it had a roll up, like the mechanical one where you pull a string and it like retracts itself. It was good, but the box took up a bit of space up here in the front, and it was old, so the tracks were stuck and it was a hassle. This though, this is clean. Oh, and then after that, I had the Paragon bed truck cover, which was a very good one too. I was gonna go with the Paragon again just because it was good on my last truck, but I wanted to try something a little different. And I like this right here. So this is, I'm gonna go ahead and bump her back down, and then this is it, man. This is setup right here. I like this a lot. And that's all she wrote. Yita motor. Oh wow, camera don't zoom in no more. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, I slid it forward a little bit. Now I like it better. It's not hanging off. It's not hanging off awkwardly now. Also, my bed rails are not 100% straight. I'm pretty sure they got bent. Whoever had it before, hooking up a gooseneck or some sort. But yo, this is it, man. I dig it. I think it looked good. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. So I'll have a link down below so you guys can check out their website. They do have different cover styles, so this is not the only one they have. They have different ones as well. And they have other accessories for trucks, you know, headlights, tail lights, stuff like that. So check them out. Very good price. I think this goes for about it's like $250 or $220, which is very affordable for a bed cover, because I mean there's ones out there that go for $2 grand. So for this, I give it install is an A+. One second, let me get y'all back. Install is an A+. Fit and finish, I give it an A+ again. It looks really good. It doesn't seem very cheap. What else? Ease of use, I'll probably give it a C, just because the clamps are easy, right? Like you don't have to use hard like hand tools to undo it. But if I wanted to fold it up, I got to go to both sides to undo the little latches underneath. Which I mean, it's not a huge deal. I give it a B. Ease of use, I give it a B. Usually I go to both sides. It'd be nice if you can do unlatch both sides from one side. You know what I'm saying? So that way you're not walking around the bed. But for the price though, you can't really complain, because there's ones that's more expensive and more complicated or shittier to use. So I like this setup a lot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick. I did not anticipate this video being this short, or not taking as long as I planned it to take. But that's a good thing though. That's good. That's why we do these review videos and stuff like that. So just, again, you guys, smash the like button. Help brother out. Channel's back, man. I ain't going nowhere for the rest of the year. So we're going to have consistent content. Hopefully you guys watched the introduction / I'm back video. If you didn't, go ahead and check that out. I'll put a card up here somewhere for y'all to see that. Any questions, any of that stuff, y'all just hit it up in the comment section. Also, if you want to get in touch with me, Instagram is going to be your best route. So if you want to follow me at everything_diesel, I'll have a link. Well, I'll have a link in all my videos for my Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow that as well. But yeah, until next time, you guys take care, be safe, peace out, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys soon.